Negative t plus 2 times the quantity 4 plus t times the quantity t plus 5 equals the quantity t minus 5 times the quantity 2t minus 3. What is t equal to? Let's solve the problem together. First, open the brackets carefully. Multiply each term inside by every term outside. Now let's collect like terms to simplify. Again, open the brackets and multiply each factor properly. Let's gather the terms that are similar. Simplify what you can from the equation. Our goal is to find the value of t. Rearrange the equation so that t is by itself on one side. Work to isolate the unknown t. And that's the solution to our problem.